Hello guys and welcome to my master class. Today my name remains Ernest Bukas, and in today's particular tutorial video we are going to talk about stock trading. Okay, so what is stock trading and how do we trade stocks? In today's video it is not only basically on stock trading, but I'm going to lead you through on how you can trade stock using USDT. You all know MaskEX crypto exchange. MaskEX crypto exchange has included a stock trading feature on their exchange. Okay, so basically it means that you can now use crypto to buy stock. This is a good news, right? Now, what is stock trading? What does stock trading mean? Stock trading simply means buying and selling of publicly traded shares of a company. Okay, that means when you buy a stock, it basically means that you own some stake ownership in that company. Now, the stocks you listed on MaskEX, you does not have a voting right in that company. Rather, it is a minority system of listing. You can only benefit from the increase and decrease of the price. Now, how do you profit in stock trading? You can profit in stock trading when you buy the price of the stock at a lower price and you sell at a higher price. Like what happened last week when Apple stock dropped at 164, and today it is being sold at 174, giving a $9 increase from last week to this week. So this is how you make profit in stock trading. So I am going to walk you through now on my screen on how you can be able to trade stocks using MaskEX crypto exchange. Let's go there. Guys, and welcome to this video. So I'm going to take you through now on the screen tutorial on how you can be able to trade stocks using MaskEX crypto exchange. So MaskEX, first of all, as I explained in the intro video, that MaskEX is a crypto exchange, but also it has a stock feature whereby you can buy and sell stocks, that is US stocks and HK stocks only. These are the only stocks that will be listed on MaskEX. So for we to start right now, the first thing you need to do once you log in your MaskEX account, make sure that you have funded your MaskEX account with USDT. And once that is done, you first of all you click on trade here. And when you click on trade, I want you to look at the top right here where you will see stock, you see perpetual, you see perpetual, right here, you see sports trade right here, you see margin right here, you see P2P right here, and you see copy trading right here. So after seeing all these things, next thing you do, you have to reflect back to what? To stock. So this is what we are trying to trade. So right here, I'm going to show you something. Next thing for you, one thing I want to show you again is this. Before going to trade, first of all, when you click, there is something below here, which is the wallet, the market, trade, and financial. Come here and click on the market. When you click on the market, at the top you will see favorite, perpetual, coins, stocks, analysis. Okay, then once you see these things, next thing you have to do is you put it on stocks. Okay, once you put it on stocks, this right here at the top you can see that this is when you put it on stocks, you can see HK stocks and US stocks. So when you put it on HK stocks, all the stocks you are going to see here are the HKs, that is Hong Kong stocks that are listed on MaskEX exchange. Hope I'm making sense, right? Then the next thing is you click on US stocks. All the stocks you are going to see here are all the stocks that are listed, all the US, United States of America stocks that are listed on MaskEX exchange. Okay, and once that is done, then let's go to trade. That is, here you can be actually coming here to check the market, that is to see which stock that is down and which stock that is up. So currently it seems that most stocks are down right now in price, but that's not what we are here. So let's go down and you come here and then you click on trade. So once you click on trade, you land yourself on these stocks. Then what we are trying to trade today is US stocks. So you put it on US stocks. Note that you can still, when you put it on HK, it means that all these things are Hong Kong stocks. Okay, all the stocks that are listed. That is what it, first of all, I have told you that stocks are what? Company shares, right? So this is all the things you have been seeing, you see here are going to be company names, you understand? But all these companies are selling their what? The part of their shares to individuals, you understand? So these things is just like example, like a crypto pairs, whereby you put on spot trade like this. When you put on spot trade like this, you can see BTC, right? You can see BTC and you can actually see other coins, right? So it's still the same thing like that, sure you get. So that's exactly what you are going to do when you click on the stocks like this. When you see stocks like this, then the next thing you have to put it on stock like this. Then the next thing, you select the type of stock you're going to trade. Right now I want to trade the stocks that is if I want to buy Coinbase. No, Coinbase is a US stock. So Coinbase is kind of a crypto exchange company, but it's also a US stock. So I'm going to select the type of stocks I'm going to trade, I want to buy today. So I'm going down, searching for the stocks that I'm going to buy. So there is a stock called Do You. So this is a US stock called Do You, right? So this Do You, I want to buy it, right? So I want to trade this. First of all, you click then buy. Then the next thing you're going to see here is that when you log in here first, you have to exchange your USDT to dollar. So click on exchange here. Now when you click on exchange here, you have some USDT on your account, so you have to convert this USDT to dollar. For example, if you want to convert dollar to USDT, you can actually, just for example, if you want to convert this $3, the next thing I want to do is just click on 3. So when I click on 3, then I will be converting I'll convert this normal US dollar to a stable coin USDT. So when I click on exchange, I click on confirm, it prompts me for me to put my password. So after putting my password, I'm going to do this. Okay, so once you put your password and everything, so let's do it. So here I have changed the $3 I have to USDT, so I can view this thing. You can see that this is the transaction that just happened right now. You can see, so it happened live right now. So I'm going to go back. I converted the dollar I have to USDT. So I want to go back right now. Then I want to convert. So this thing, there's something here in the center. Once you trigger it, if you want to change from dollar to USDT, then you put it like this. If you want to change from USDT to dollar, then you put it like this. Sure you get. Now the next thing I want to do right now is what? I want to convert my USDT to what? I want to convert it to dollar so that I can be able to buy the stocks that I want to trade. So I just want to convert $3. Okay, now you can see that 3 USDT is equivalent to what? $3. Okay, though it is equivalent to $3. That is 1 USDT is straight up $1. So you have to click on confirm like this. Confirm. It's gonna prompt you for you to put your password, which you're just gonna do. So once you've done that, you put your password, you confirm that. You can see that the transaction has been successful already, and you click here, you can see your transaction history here. You just bought what? You just bought dollar. If you want to withdraw as well, still the same thing, that you can be able to withdraw any amount. So this is one of the best. This exchange is one of the best exchange. Okay, so if I want to buy HK stock, I can actually convert US dollar to what? To HK. That is the HKD. That is the Hong Kong currency. If I want to convert to USDT to AED dirham, I can actually convert it here. You can see all the rates live here. Sure you get. If I want to convert to Chinese yen, I can actually convert it direct right here. Okay, so you can see that everything here on MaskEX is kindly real, and you don't have to be stuck. After making a lot of profit from your dollar, you can actually convert it back to USDT and be able to withdraw and do everything you want to do. So once we have now our dollar, real dollar. So we want to purchase the United States of America DU company shares. So I'm going to put here, how much share do I want to buy? Now there is something different between crypto and stock. One difference is between crypto and stock. You are not coming here when you put it on market. All you need to do is just type how many DUO do you want to buy? How many? Do you want to buy 2? That is, you are going to buy the 2 share of this company called DUO. You understand? And when you put it on limit, it actually means that you want to beat the price of this DUO. So if I put it on limit and put 0.985, I'm actually beating the price that when DUO stocks, the unit price of this particular stock falls to the price at 0.985, this thing should be able to purchase this crypto, these shares for me. Sure, you get. So that's it. And there's actually one thing you should note here. This is a valid period, and it says valid on the same day. So this is like if you want to be setting your selling limits and all that. So you can actually come here and read out, so you will understand. So right now I'm going to use market order to buy this stock. So I'm going to click like this, click confirm. So it's saying I don't have enough USD, so I'm going to buy 1. So because you need to pay fee. So this thing, guys, estimated fee for this is $2, right? Then total value asset is what? 3.27. So let me check if I can buy. I don't have assets again, so I'm going to buy more dollars. So let me buy more dollars. Let me buy like $5. I'm going to exchange this to dollars again. So I just bought some dollars right now. So let me check if I will be able to buy this stock. So let me buy like 2 stocks right here. So I'm purchasing 2 stocks right here. Let's see if I will be able to. I just purchased 2 stocks right here. You can see the current order like here. So why this thing is in current order is that because the markets have not met. So once the markets met, the order is going to be completed, and I'm going to have this particular DUO stocks that I just bought. Sure, you get. So that's how simple it is to buy US stocks. Do you notice something right now that it just disappeared? Now it went to position. Now this is the position, and this is the amount that I bought. So daily you can be seeing, if you are making profit in this particular share that you purchase, you will be seeing it here. It will be showing you here. Now today you can see that I'm on minus 0.10% loss in this particular trade that I just bought right now, and you can see that I'm on $0.01 loss. So if at all tomorrow and this share that I bought, now you see that the price is dropping. So if tomorrow and the price come up here, you will notice that I am going to make what? I'm going to make profit, and it is going to show here that my purchased stock is now what? In profit. This is one of the beautiful things about MaskEX, trading stocks on MaskEX exchange. So it's very simple, and one of the most important things is this is not a financial advice, just a tutorial showing you everything that you need to know about US stocks and HK stock, how to buy them on MaskEX exchange. So the next thing is this: if you want to use limit, you can actually use it. Now if I want to, like in the future, I want to sell this stock that I just purchased, I don't want to hold these stocks again, I want to sell it back. So the simple thing I'm going to do is I'm click on sell, use the same market as well. How many stock did I buy? I put 2. I want to sell this stock right now. So you can see that I just sold this stock back. You can see that my order is what? This order is reading. This order is processing. So once the order is met, it's going to complete and come to position and showing me that my purchased stock that I have sold it. Do you notice something? This was 0.25% before. Now it's 0.71 because the stocks is going down. Now I just sold off, okay? But you can actually come here to see whether your position has been sold. So now you can see that this position has not finally been sold, because I know that most of you will buy this thing and think that your position will be sold immediately. My position has not finally been sold because it's still here saying to be settled. So it has not been settled already. Once it's settled, your dollar is going to come back to your account. So thank you guys for watching. I have spent a lot of time in this, and thank you for watching. This is actually the best tutorial video you've ever seen on how you can be able to trade stock on MaskEX crypto exchange. My name remains Enes Lucas, and I'd like you to click on the follow button and Follow this page and also share this video. See you in the next one.